Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change profile picture in the Last Asylum Plague. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in at your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change profile picture in Last Asylum Plague. So basically, to change it, what you need to do is go to the top left corner where you see your profile and your avatar. And here you already have an avatar, as you can see. Now, as you can see here, when you click on this pencil here, you can go and change your name. And here, when you click on change name, you have the avatar also. So in the bottom, we have, as you can see, the avatar frame, which you can go and click on. And here we have the profile pictures, which you can of course use. Or here, as you can see, you can change whichever you want. So, but you need to go and be level 25 to change in the avatar that you would all here like to have. And that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.